Okay, sir.
Hello Aditya, how are you?
Hello, sir. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm cool. Okay, Aditya, so let me know something about you.
My name is Aditya Sharma. I study in class 6th. My father's name is Mr. Sunil Dutt Sharma, and my mother's name is Mr. Seema Sharma. I am 10 years old, and my hobby is play cricket. And sir, thank you for listening to me.
Okay, Aditya, can you tell me the meaning of your name?
So my name of
You know it or not?
so I know it Hindi.
Okay, you can tell me in Hindi. What is the meaning of Aditya?
The meaning of Aditya in Hindi it's Surya.
Surya, sun. Surya means sun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are sun.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, Aditya, tell me what school are you in?
I am in Pathshala and Academy School.
Okay, and where do you belong to?
I am belong Raja Kheda.
You belong to Raja Kheda. Where is Raja Kheda in India?
In India, Raja Kheda in Dholpur.
Raja Kheda is in Dholpur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dholpur comes in MP or Rajasthan or UP?
Rajasthan.
It is in Rajasthan. Okay. So what
Yes,
is
sir.
special about Rajasthan? Tell me any two special things about Rajasthan.
So in Rajasthan, so in Jaipur, so Hawa Mahal is there, and so someone dance is there, so Gunga.
Ghumar dance.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
And
there in Rajasthan, so very so Raj Mahal are there, so
okay.
Mahal.
So have you ever gone to Hawa Mahal?
No, sir.
You have never gone to.
I never go.
Okay. All right. And tell me what class are you in?
I am in 6th class.
In class 6th. Okay. Great. You are in English medium school or Hindi medium?
I am in English medium school.
You are in English medium school. Good. Which is
Yes,
your
sir.
favorite subject?
And my favorite subject is English.
English is your favorite subject. What do you like about English? Why do you like English?
Because I understand English very well and I speak English, not fluently, but I speak English. And
Okay.
that's why I like English.
Okay. And how many friends do you have?
So I have many friends, but my best friend is Pranjal Sensoria.
Pranjal Chansoria is your best friend. Is your school friend or colony friend?
So he is my school friend.
Okay. Tell me his two qualities. Two qualities of Pranjal.
So he is very intelligent and he is naughty also.
He's naughty also. That's why you like him.
Yes, I
That
like.
means you are also naughty. Are you naughty?
No, sir.
You're
I
not.
am not naughty.
But you like your friend because he's naughty.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But
Tell me.
sometimes he
Hmm.
do naughty.
Okay, Aditya, as I know, class 5th is a board in Rajasthan. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what was your percentage in class 5th?
So I didn't take test because of pandemic.
Okay, you didn't go for examinations. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So nowadays your online classes are going on or offline classes?
So offline classes.
Offline classes are going on. Okay.
Yes,
After
sir.
how many days you met your friends, your school friends?
I met my friend so 1 year ago.
After 1 year you met your friends. So how did you feel when you met your friends first time after a long?
So I feel very good and I enjoy with my friends.
Okay. As you told me, your hobby is playing cricket. So do you play
Yes,
cricket
sir.
every day or you play sometimes?
So I play sometime.
You play sometimes. Who's your favorite cricketer?
So my favorite cricketer is Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay, great. Does he still play or he has left playing?
So he has left playing.
He has left playing. He doesn't play nowadays. Okay. There was a movie made on Sachin Tendulkar. Did you watch that movie?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you find
No,
that
no,
movie?
no.
No, you didn't
No,
watch.
sir, I didn't see.
And there was a movie made on Mahendra Singh Dhoni, MS Dhoni
I
Untold
have watched
Story.
it.
You have watched it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You like that movie?
Yes, I like that movie.
Okay. Who was actor in that movie?
So in this picture, that's a Singh Rajput.
Sushant Singh Rajput. Okay. Great. Okay. So Aditya, tell me, you like to do batting, bowling, or fielding, or keeping? What do you
But
like to do?
I like to do betting.
Like to do batting? Okay. You are
Yes, sir.
left-handed batsman or right-handed batsman?
So I am right hand batsman.
Okay, great. And where do you play? In your school, in front of your house, or you have any stadium in your town? Where do you play?
So I play front of my house and sometimes I play in a school.
Okay, great. And tell me, how many members are there in your family?
So in my family, uh, 12 members are there.
Four members are there. You told about your father, mother, you, and your sister or brother?
Sisters.
You have a
I have
sister.
two sisters.
You have two sisters. So you have got five members, no? Total five members are
Yes,
there,
sir.
including you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What does your father do?
So my father do job
Your father does job where?
in Delhi.
Okay, he's in Delhi. Great. And your mother is housewife or working women?
My mother is housewife.
Mother is housewife. And what about your sisters? Are they younger than you or elder to you?
So they are younger than me.
They're younger than you. Okay. How old are they and what do they do?
So my first is sister is 8 years old and he studying second class. And my second sister in is a 4 years old and he didn't admission any school.
Okay. Good. She's very small, I think.
Yes, sir.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sir, I watch TV.
What do you watch on television?
Sir, I watch on television so Valvi returns.
Sorry, I couldn't understand.
So I watch Valvi returns.
Okay, I think Aditya, light is off. I can't see you.
Yes, sir, electricity has gone.
Electricity has gone. Okay, no problem. So, what is the condition of electricity in your area?
So
For
in
how
my
many hours do
area,
you get? For how many hours do you get electricity in a day?
so in a day, so we get electricity so 4 5 hours and
Okay,
2 3 hours he has gone. It has gone.
okay. So, if we do the total, it is I think 7 or 8 hours because you are saying for 4 5 hours it is on, and for 3 4 hours it is off. So it
No,
is
sir, in day for 4 5 hours and night he has full night he has come. It has come.
okay. You have electricity in night, and in noon
Yes, sir.
it is available for 6 7 hours hardly, and for 3 4 hours it is not available.
So I don't know fixed time,
Okay,
but I tell
okay, great. So Aditya, what do you want to be in your future? Aditya, if it
I
is
want
possible,
to.
please show your face by turning on something like torch or candle if it is available at your home. If you can do,
So I will try. So just wait.
okay, please try to do it as soon as possible.
Okay, so I will try. So but I have to keep my phone in on my hand.
No problem. We just want to see your face.
Okay, so I will keep my. So am I visible to you?
Yeah, yeah, you are visible now. It's fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditya, I was asking about, I forgot what I was asking about. So let me know something about your town, Rajakeda. What is special there?
So nothing
Sir,
special
you
there,
were
but I like Raja Kheda.
Okay, okay. Somebody spoke something. What do you want to say? Please come again.
Nothing special
Sir,
in
you
Raja
was
Kheda.
asking what do you want to be?
Yes, yes, Priyanshi. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for reminding me what I wanted to ask. Yes, Aditya, I wanted to know that what's your aim? What do you want to become in your future?
I want to be a doctor.
You want to be doctor? Okay, good. So how will you become doctor? You know, because you are in class 6th and you have a big aim. So what will you do? What kind of a study you have to do for becoming doctor?
So I have to do MBBS.
MBBS. Okay, you know the full form of MBBS?
No, sir, I don't know.
You don't know. You should know because you'll be doctor and you have to study. So you should make plan. As such, you are very small, but after coming in class 9th or 10th, you should study that how will you become doctor, what kind of a study you have to do, and how much you have to study. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me about your achievements. Did you achieve something in your life, in your school days or anywhere? Any
So I
certificate, record, awards,
achieved
anything?
one thing.
Hmm?
So when I was in fourth class, my principal ma'am done one writing competition and I win this writing competition and I got gift from herself. Her side.
Okay, there was a writing competition and you won first prize.
Yes, sir.
No
In my
girl got
class.
first position or any of the position in your class because we feel that girls' handwriting is very good, better than boys. But you won. It's
No,
amazing.
sir. In my class, the third rank is come came. So Parshvi Jam got third
Parshvi Jan
rank.
got the third position. Okay, she is available. She is with us. Parshvi is there with us. She got third position. That's nice. It means your handwriting is very good. What about your drawing? Is it fine or you have any interest in drawing?
So I have no interest in drawing, but my drawing is good.
Okay. And what about food? What dish do you like the most?
I like the pav bhaji the most.
Pav Bhaji, it's my favorite too. Good. Do you know how to prepare it?
No, sir.
You don't know. So who prepares Pav Bhaji at your home? Your mother or your father orders it from outside or he brings it from outside?
So when I go somewhere, then I eat.
Okay. When you go where? In market?
So like yes, sir, like parties and marriage. So that
Okay. There you
I
eat
eat.
it. Good.
Yes, sir.
Uh, is there any park or something like that in amusement park or something like that in Rajakeda?
No, sir.
There's nothing special there. You like to live in Rajakeda or you want to go out of your town?
So I like Raja Kheda.
You like Rajakeda? Okay.
Yes,
What do
sir.
you like in it?
So I don't know what I like it.
You don't know, but you like it. Okay, I think you have many friends here. Your family is there. That's why you like to live here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, Aditya, nice.